So what was the main points? Your cyclohexane, it exists in which form?
Yes.
Two lines like this, and then you join them, and then you join the axial and equatorial. Axial perpendicular, equatorial, they are present in the same plane. So same here and same at the all other positions. Third point was that which is more stable? Equatorial form is more stable or axial form is more stable?
The equatorial.
Equatorial. Your substituent at equatorial position is more stable. Next point. If you want to write down the geometry, insert the point in like here. So this is equatorial bond. It's pointing in upward direction. And this is axial bond. It points in upward direction. So both are pointing in the same direction. While this equatorial, this one and this one pointing in a downward direction. So in opposite direction. So if you want to write trans, that means we have to write one bond over here, another over here. So this will be trans. Is it trans or not? अगर मैं इथे x लगावा इथे y लगावा it will be cis or trans? cis होएगी ना, both are pointing in downward direction, so I have to put y over here, so this will be trans और दोनों axial positions रखा. Third point was elimination take place only when your group is present over axial position. Why so? Because in axial position only you have anti-periplanar conformation. सिर्फ axial position के ऊपर ही anti-periplanar conformation हो सकती है. Okay, so because of that, elimination take place only when your groups, leaving group are present over axial position. Because at equatorial position, if this is equatorial position, its anti is this carbon-carbon bond. देखो दोनों anti ने, या ये वे इससे anti की ये this one. So anti to equatorial position is carbon-carbon bond. So elimination cannot take place when your leaving group present over equatorial position, because in that case, both leaving group they are not at anti-periplanar position. तो इसका solution की है, your cyclohexane ring it can undergo flipping. और देखो ये वाला कार्बन वन ऊपर नु है, फोर्थ ये वाला कार्बन नीचे नु है. फ्लिपिंग की होएगा, ये ऊपर चला जाएगा, ये नीचे आ जाएगा. So this will become like this. So ring get flipped. So when this flipping take place, what happens? Your equatorial bond get converts into axial bond, and axial bonds they get converted into equatorial bond. So in that case, elimination can take place. So let us see the example, and there are very important examples. Exam so let us see the very first example, very simple example. Suppose you have very simple example: cis 1-bromo 2-methyl cyclohexane. Now cis means both are present on the same side. So that means you have this situation. So you have a 1-bromo and 2-methyl. Okay, and both are cis. Now, if you treat it with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, now elimination can take place from the two ways. One way is, now this is your beta carbon, this is your alpha carbon, and this is also your beta carbon, and it also have hydrogen. So elimination can take place from this beta carbon or from this beta carbon. So there may be a formation of two products. One product is this one, if elimination take place from this beta carbon, and second product is more substituted product, this one, is elimination take place from this beta carbon. This hydrogen is get eliminated. So this product is your Sergio product, and this product is Hofmann product. Now question is, which product will be major, Sergio or Hofmann?
Sergio.
किवें पता लगेगा? ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਏਗਾ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਨਫਰਮੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਬਣਾਉਣੀਆਂ ਪੈਣਗੀਆਂ. ਕਨਫਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਪਏਗਾ ਵੀ ਕਿਸ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬ੍ਰੋਮੀਨ ਔਰ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਐਂਟੀ ਪੈਰੀਪਲੇਨਰ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਕਨਫਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਟੇਬਲ ਹੈ. So let us draw its confirmation. Now this cyclohexane, it exists in a chair form. So this is its chair form. This is carbon number 1, this is carbon number 2, this is axial bond, equatorial and axial. At carbon number 1, let's start with carbon number 2. Methyl is more bulky as compared to bromine. So where should I put methyl group? At axial position or at equatorial position? Methyl group को किथे लगावा? इस axial पे लगावा कि equatorial पे लगावा? Of course, which is more stable?
Equatorial position.
Equatorial. So I will put it over equatorial, and I will put hydrogen over here. Now I have to put this bromine in such a way that दोनों की होन cis होन. और cis कदों होंगे? When cis कदों होंगे? When they're
Bromine.
direction or in opposite direction?
Same direction.
Direction. ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਮਿਥਾइल ਇਕਟੋਰੀਅਲ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਤੇ ਲਗਾਇਆ, this is up, Okay, so where should I put this bromine? Over here axial या over here equatorial? Cis बनाने लई
Axial position.
axial थे क्योंकि AV आप पे AV आप पे. So I will put bromine over here, hydrogen over here, right? Now we know that elimination take place from axial position when both leaving group are present over axial position. So at this neighboring beta carbon, your hydrogen and this bromine, they are at axial position and they are at anti-periplanar position. दोनों की ने anti-periplanar ने. And at this carbon also, you have a hydrogen here and you have a hydrogen here. This is also a beta carbon, A वाला. Now at this beta carbon also, your bromine and this hydrogen, they are anti. So here in both positions, your bromine and hydrogen, they are anti. So from which position it will prefer to leave? More substitute or less substitute? Because अगर इथो leave करेगा, this will result in a formation of more substituted Sergio product. This will go out. So this will result in a formation of Sergio product. और इस position तो करेगा, this will result in a Hofmann product. So which product will be major? Sergio or Hofmann?
Sergio.
So this will give rise to a major, more substituted product as both leaving group, they are present at anti-periplanar position and methyl group is at equatorial position. So this form is stable also. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now let us see what will happen in case of trans. In case of trans, when we have trans 1-bromo-2-methyl cyclohexane. So let us see that case. Okay, wait a second. Okay, so let us see what will happen in case of trans. ट्रांस की चेयर फॉर्म बनाओ अपनी कॉपी ते किद्दां दी बनेगी. So in trans, methyl and bromine, they will be present opposite to each other. So this will be trans. So here suppose here it is bromine below the plane, then above the plane it will be methyl. So its shear form will be, suppose this is 1, this is 2. So like this. Now bulky group always goes to the equatorial position. So methyl is bulky, so I will put it over equatorial position first. Now where should I put bromine? At carbon number 1, at axial or at equatorial position? We have to make it trans. That means both bonds, they should point in opposite direction. So where should I put bromine? Over axial position or at equatorial position? Jaldi nal daso. Where? बोलो बेटे जल्दी नाल. अगर मैं उसनु एक्सियल ते पुट कर देना तो दोनों सेम हो जाएंगे आप. That means your cis. If I equatorial put करा, so now equatorial bond points in a downward direction, this point in an upward direction, so both point in opposite direction, so your product will be trans. Now in this trans chair form, elimination is possible. Elimination is possible only when your leaving group present over axial position, but here leaving group bromine is present over equatorial position. So in this case, elimination is not possible. So what will happen? It will undergo flipping. Ring will flip. So when flipping will take place, A वाला carbon नीचे चला जाएगा, A carbon ऊपर चला जाएगा. So this will become like this. This will become like this. Now this is now your carbon number 1. This will be carbon number 2. This will be carbon number 3. 4 ऊपर चला गया. 5 and 6. So it will be 4, 5 and 6. So as I told you earlier, when flipping take place, what will happen? Which bond changes into which one? When flipping occurs, equatorial changes into axis. So at carbon number 1, in this structure, bromine is present over equatorial bond. So it will change into कित्थे चल जाएगी ये
Axial.
axial ਤੇ bromine ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਜੀ hydrogen ਇੱਧਰ ਆ ਗਿਆ here methyl is present over equatorial position so it will move into axial so this will come over here this will be over here and here also you have a hydrogen and hydrogen now from which position elimination will take place so now this is bromine now anti to bromine at carbon number 2 is methyl and at carbon number 6 and this is also beta carbon is hydrogen so elimination will take place from which bond at carbon number 1 and carbon number 6 or carbon number 1 and carbon number 2
Sir, 6 wale.
6 wale because they are anti-periplanar so in this case major product will be Sertjev or Hoffman Hoffman so in this case your major product is Hoffman product because it is less substituted product so your product will be Hoffman like this and if I ask you out of cis and trans which undergoes E2 elimination at a faster rate on faster rate ਤੇ ਕਿਹੜੀ elimination ਹੋਏਗੀ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕਨਫਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਟੇਬਲ ਹੈ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਸਫਾਰਮ ਦੇਖੋ ਤਾਂ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਸਫਾਰਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਮਿਥਾਈਲ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਪਿਆ ਹੈ ਐਕਸੀਅਲ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਤੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਸਿਸ ਫਾਰਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਮਿਥਾਈਲ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਪਿਆ ਹੈ ਇਕੁਆਟੋਰੀਅਲ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਤੇ see here it is present over equatorial position so which is more stable cis form ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ elimination ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਸਫਾਰਮ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ elimination ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ cis form because here methyl group is present at equatorial position so which reaction will take place at a faster rate cis or trans cis hoegi na because it is given by more stable conformation so it take place at faster rate as it is given by more stable conformation in which methyl group is present over equatorial position is it clear कोई डाउट है बेटा पूछो जल्दी नाल okay so now next question is again this is very important question और दो बार ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ एग्जाम ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਹੈ elimination reaction in neomethyl chloride and methyl chloride ਇਹ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਬੇਟੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੋ ਵਾਰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਚੁੱਕਾ ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ so let us see what will be elimination product and what will be their mechanism and out of these two which will undergo elimination at a faster rate so what is neomethyl chloride its structure is you have a cyclohexane at this carbon number 1 you have a methyl group at carbon number 3 you have a chlorine and at carbon number 4 you have isopropyl group CH3CH3 now at carbon number 3 and at carbon number 1 their stereochemistry is cis that means methyl and chlorine they are cis 3 and 4 they are trans and 1 and 3 are also trans okay so if you treat it with alcoholic potassium hydroxide you can get two products one elimination can take place from this beta carbon and chlorine that is carbon number 2 and carbon number 3 or it can take place 3 and 4 so this can give rise to two possible products so one product is this one and second product is this one now which product is Sertjev product and which product is Hoffman product which product is Sertjev and which product is Hoffman
Sir, first वाला Hoffman है.
yes
Second
first
वाला
is
Sertjev.
Hoffman this is Hoffman and this is Sertjev so let us see so what we will do we will draw its conformation okay we will draw its conformation and then we will see both leaving group are anti-periplanar position and whether conformation is stable or not so let us draw its chair conformation so this is its chair conformation this is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 now ਇਹਨਾਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਬਲਕੀ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਮਿਥਾਈਲ ਕਲੋਰੀਨ ਔਰ ਆਈਸੋਪ੍ਰੋਪਾਈਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਈਸੋਪ੍ਰੋਪਾਈਲ ਤਾਂ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਨੰਬਰ 4 ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਈਸੋਪ੍ਰੋਪਾਈਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਰੱਖਾਂਗੇ ਇਕੁਆਟੋਰੀਅਲ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਰਿਲੇਟਿਵ ਲਗਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਨਾਓ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਨੰਬਰ 3 ਕਾਰਬਨ ਨੰਬਰ 3 ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਗਾਣਾ ਕਲੋਰੀਨ ਹੁਣ ਕਲੋਰੀਨ ਔਰ ਆਈਸੋਪ੍ਰੋਪਾਈਲ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਆਪਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਨੇ ਟਰਾਂਸ ਤਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬੌਂਡਸ ਕੀ ਹੋਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਨੇ ਸੇਮ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਕਰਨੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਆਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
Opposite.
opposite so this is axial this is equatorial ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਲਗਾਵਾਂਗੇ This is up, this is up. So we will put it over equatorial position over here. Now you can see they are opposite. And at carbon number 1, where should I put methyl? You can see methyl and chlorine, they should point in a same direction. And methyl and isopropyl in opposite direction. They are trans. So where should I put this methyl? Equatorial or axial position?
Equatorial.
Equatorial. So we will put it over equatorial position like here. Okay. Now tell me, in this conformation, elimination is possible?
No, sir.
No. Why not? Because your leaving group is present over which position? Equatorial. Chlorine kithe pe? Equatorial position. It is over axial position. So what we will do? We will do ring flipping like this. The carbon ek niche aa gaya. This will become 3, 4, 5 and 6. The carbon number 1 te methyl kithe chala jayega? Axial position te. Ithe kithe equatorial te. Chlorine kithe chala jayega? Ithe equatorial te si. This will go at the axial position. At carbon number 4, isopropyl group kithe jayega? Bolo, ithe kithe equatorial position te ta kithe move kar jayega hai?
Axial.
Axial like this. Okay. Okay, so now elimination can take place. Now your chlorine is at axial position. Now elimination can take place from carbon number 4 as well as from carbon number 2. Now from which position elimination will take place? From carbon number 2 or from carbon number 4?
Carbon number 2.
Carbon number 2. Why?
Carbon number 4 कोल हाइड्रोजन नहीं है सर.
Yes, exactly. Carbon number 4 देखो जो हाइड्रोजन पे है वो किस पोजीशन पे पिया हुआ है? इक्वेटोरियल पोजीशन पे. एक्सियल पोजीशन पे वो नहीं है. बट इससे कोल जो हाइड्रोजन है कार्बन नंबर 2 से that is also over axial position. So you can see both are anti-periplanar. Both are anti-periplanar position. So which product will be major product? Hoffman or Sertjev?
Hoffman.
Hoffman. So your Hoffman product will be major product. So they are at anti-periplanar position. So the combination to give rise to Hoffman as the major product. So this will go over here. This will move down. Yes, any question up to this point? Okay, tell me, in this conformation in new methyl chloride, the elimination ho rahi hai, this elimination is taking place because of this conformation. Now this conformation is a stable conformation or unstable conformation? A wali जिस नाल elimination हो रही है.
Sir, question repeat करिए.
ਇਹ ਕਨਫਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਬੇਟੇ ਜਿਸ ਤੋਂ ਐਲੀਮੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਨਿਊ ਮੈਂਥਾਈਲ ਕਲੋਰਾਈਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ, ਇਹ ਕਨਫਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਸਟੇਬਲ ਕਨਫਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਅਨਸਟੇਬਲ ਕਨਫਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ?
Unstable.
Unstable. Why it is unstable?
सिर्फ flip करके करती थी.
Because bulky group are present over axial position. Isopropyl and methyl group कितने पे ने axial position से. So this conformation is a unstable conformation. So this reaction will take place slower or faster?
Lower.
Lower.
Slower. So elimination reaction in new methyl chloride, it take place slower rate, it take place slowly because here elimination is given by conformation which is unstable. Why it is unstable? Because you're leaving because your bulky group, they are present over axial positions. Now let us see what will happen in case of new methyl. Sorry, this was methyl bete, a methyl siga. Okay, this was methyl. Okay, this was methyl. A structure yaad rakhni hai. 3-4 compounds are the same. This is methyl. Now in new methyl chloride, only difference is at position number 3 and 4, they are having cis geometry. So in new methyl chloride, geometry is like this. So only difference is configuration at this carbon number 3. In carbon number 3, previously it was opposite configuration as that of carbon number 4, but here carbon number 3 and carbon number 4 they are cis, while carbon number 1 and carbon number 3 they are trans. Carbon number 1 and carbon number 4 are trans. पिछले cases carbon 1 and carbon 3 की सी cis सी. So again we will see whether in this case reaction take place at a slower rate or a faster rate, and we will also see whether Sitcho product is a major product or Hofmann product is a major product. So how we will do that? We will again form its conformation, and we will see whether your both leaving group they are present over axial position or not. If they are present at axial position, that's good. If they are not at axial position, we will do ring flipping. So let us see. So where should I put isopropyl group? This one at equatorial position, because it's a bulky group and we will always like to put over equatorial position. Now, what about at carbon number 3? Where should I put this chlorine? At axial position or equatorial position? Mind it, both are having same direction. Both are cis. So where should I put? Over this position, axial, or this equatorial position? बोलो बेटे जल्दी नाल, वेरी इजी. बोलो सिस बनाना है ना. हाँ जी,
इक्वेटोरियल
इक्वेटोरियल तो कर देंगे. आ डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन है, आ अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन है, तो की बन जाएगा ट्रांस. वी विल पुट इट ओवर एक्सियल पोजीशन हियर. दोनों की ना सिस ने, ठीक है ना, दोनों दी सेम कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है ना, बोथ आर अबव द प्लेन, तो एवी अप, सो इट विल बी सिस. एंड व्हाट अबाउट मिथाइल ग्रुप एट पोजीशन नंबर 1? एक ये ट्रांस है, तो इन्हां दे बॉन्ड की होने चाहिए ऑपोजिट. So this is up, so I will put over equatorial position so that it become down. So now elimination can take place or not, and from which carbon it will take place. So your chlorine is already present over axial position. Now at carbon number 2 you have a hydrogen at axial position, and also 4 you have a axial position. So from which elimination will be preferred, from 3 or 4 or 2 and 3? In this case there is no need of flipping.
3 and 4.
3 and 4, because that will give rise to a more stable Sitcho product. More stable Sitcho product like this. So here this product will be major. While when elimination take place from 2 and 3, that will give rise to a Hofmann product which is less stable. Less stable or minor product. So which reaction will take place at a faster rate? New methyl will react at a faster rate, or methyl will react at a faster rate? New methyl.
New menthol.
New methyl. क्योंकि ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਨੇ ਆਈਡੀਆ, this conformation is a stable conformation because methyl group and isopropyl group already किथे ने bulky group equatorial position थे. So here product is given by the stable conformation. So new methyl react, एक question आया हुआ है, react around 200 times faster as compared to methyl chloride in E2 elimination reaction. So this is the reason and this is the product formation. Is it clear? बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. और क्लोरीन की जगह थोड़े कोई और ग्रुप भी आ सकता है, पर लेटर ऑन डिस्कस करांगे जो एक अलग मैकेनिज्म डिस्कस करांगे, साइक्लिक एलिमिनेशन. इज इट क्लियर नाउ एट दिस पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन दैट यू विल डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ. हुणे अपनी कॉपी ते करोगे और दसोगे मेनू. आउट ऑफ सिस एंड ट्रांस, out of cis and trans, now cis and trans, out of cis and trans, 1 bromo, 4 tertiary butyl cyclohexane, which undergoes faster E2 elimination. Says at one position you have a bromine, at the 4th position you have a tertiary butyl group. So this is your cis and this is your trans. So yes, which will undergo elimination at a faster rate? So I will put this tertiary butyl group since it's a bulky over equatorial position like here. And if I do it so, then where should I put bromine so that both are cis to each other? Axial position or equatorial position? You can see this is down, this is up. So where should I put bromine? Both point in the same direction. This is carbon number 1. 2 3 axial. So I will put over here. So in this case, elimination can take place. Your bromine and from the neighboring carbon, bromine is at axial position, hydrogen is at axial position. So elimination can take place from 1 and 2. So that will give rise to this product. What about this one? So again, I put it at a here, hydrogen at here. Now, where should I put bromine? Trans A, at axial or at equatorial?
Equatorial.
Equatorial. So elimination is possible. Sorry, here bromine. Elimination is possible in this case. Here group is at
Axial position.
axial. So इत्थे की होएगा? Ring flipping. So ring will get flip. So this will goes to the axial position, and इत्थे equatorial. This will also goes to the take place to give rise to the product. Now question is, out of these two, which one will react at a faster rate? Product the same ही बनेगा. Which one will react at a faster rate? केड़ी कन्फर्मेशन ज्यादा स्टेबल है एलिमिनेशन दे रही है, ए वाली या ए वाली? ਇੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਥ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰੀ ब्यूटाइल ग्रुप इक्वेटोरियल पोजीशन ਤੇ ਪਿਆ ਹੈ, ਇੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ एक्सियल ਤੇ ਪਿਆ ਹੈ, तो ਕਿਹੜੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ स्टेबल है?
Cis equatorial ਤੇ ਪਿਆ.
Equatorial ਤੇ, so cis is more stable. So this conformation is more stable and this conformation is less stable. So which one will react at a faster rate?
Cis.
France. बोलो सेम की है आंसर?
इससे सर
Sir, cis है.
सिस ज्यादा छेती रिएक्ट करेगा, ज्यादा फास्ट रिएक्ट करेगा क्योंकि ये कंफर्मेशन ज्यादा स्टेबल है. सो दिस विल रिएक्ट एट ए फास्टर रेट. So these were the few examples that involves elimination in case of your cyclohexane molecule. So all three examples, they are very very important. New methyl वाला क्वेश्चन ਤਾਂ 2 ਵਾਰ एग्जाम ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਹੈ, ਔਰ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ ਲਾਸਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰਾਇਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. And this elimination reaction is also given in your book 11 chapter ਹੈਗਾ, ਔਰ ਜੋ ਮੈਂ notes provide ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. So at this point we have finished E2 elimination reactions. So now beta, if you have any question please ask. I have less than 1 minute.